Chris, real quickly, are you are kind of just starting as a teacher with Webtalk and IEG. You're also getting involved very quickly. I think you kind of caught on real quickly, like what the power of this is. And I was just wondering if you could talk a little bit about kind of just what do you think about this whole IG thing and whole web talk thing in a in a short little kind of response.
High level, well organized, top notch, professional, very respectful cooperation between teachers, students, facilitators, everybody, because we're in over 65 different countries and we better be at our best at all times. Be ourselves, but also showcase to the whole world that, hey, we're free, but we really care about all of you out there who simply want to have the experience of conversation in English. Oh my goodness, there are people in my classes who are so hungry just to have a relaxed conversation. Because they were saying to me the other day, it says, I don't have anybody at home to share English with. I may have a few with my coworkers at work, but when we're at work, we have certain protocols to follow, and it's not a very relaxed environment. So when I'm with my own classes or I'm with other people's classes, they look forward to seeing me because I'm a native speaker. And my greatest joy the other day was I had two people on one of my classes, and I just sat back and they were conversing with each other. They're one was from Oman and the other one was from Algeria or something like that. And they both had a common native language. And most of the time they were speaking English, and they were kind of facilitating each other, coaxing each other, making sure that the environment was quite relaxing. And then I chimed in when they wanted me to help translate a phrase. That's an example. So I feel
Right.
that I'm more like a facilitator of conversational English more than a teacher of grammar and structure. And that's more my intent. That's more my style, because we have so many teachers out there and facilitators. I, I really think that let's bring out our own brand, our own style, and there'll be so many different types of teachers out there that people will gravitate toward what they would like at the moment.